Hey, this is Cristina Dougherty with Cristina Dougherty and Associates here at Long & Foster. And today we're going to learn how to troubleshoot your gas, furnace, and AC issues before you make that very expensive phone call. So stay tuned.
Hi guys, Ken Humphreys here with BPG Inspections. Nice helpful tips on how to troubleshoot problems with your HVAC system. We've all had that point where it isn't working and then we've called the HVAC guy and it's $250 just to flick a switch. If your heating and air system isn't working, there's a few things you can check by yourself before you make that painful phone call. First of all, this is what we call a service disconnect or a dead man switch. If this is off, the unit's not going to run. As we come down the system, this particular unit has an easy trap. This is a backflow prevention. And there's a little float inside of here. So if this little black knob on top is sticking up, it means it's backflowed, and that sometimes will turn the unit off as well. Inside the unit, which is not where you're really going to go, but if you've had it recently serviced and the unit's not working, if this inner cover is not secured tightly, the unit won't run because there's a door switch on there. If it's still not working on those three things, check that you have power at your thermostat. It's kind of important because that's what controls the whole system. Sometimes the batteries go dead and all it needs is new batteries. And last but not least, check inside your main electrical panel. Just make sure that there's no trip breakers for any component. Nice talking to you guys. If you have any questions, just look us up on BPG DMV. Take care.